Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ifixx Electronics SXM. In today's video, we're going to repair a problem in flip phones. As you can see, the second display is working fine. The main screen is black, although it's new screen. Let's reboot the phone and check once again. As you can see during the boot, the primary display and the secondary display both are working. Once it booted completely, the primary display goes black. I tried swapping old magnet from the old display, and the problem remains same. This problem comes from the magnet alignment. In this type of case, it doesn't matter if you have old magnet or no. You need double-sided tape to fix this problem. This is really thin one, so I'm going to make 2 or 3 pieces. Attach that dual side tape on the magnet bottom side. Place the magnet on right position. No, our problem is solved. Let's test. Now the both screens are working good and eye repair is successful. Put all the screws and check again. Thing is working fine now. You can pack the phone and deliver it to the customer. Hope you like the video and the video is helpful for you. Please do subscribe. Do you have any kind of problem related with your cell phone?